Hello guys, my name is Junior Zulueta and I'm passionate about helping individuals achieve their financial freedom and success through a sustainable digital business strategies. Marahil nakita nyo na rin po ang ganitong invitation sa inyong mga social media account. Nagtataka rin po kayo kung bakit madami na po ang sumusubok at nag-join in this kind of online business. Well, first of all, this online business offers you a flexibility of time. I mean, you can do it part-time or full-time while doing your other profession in life. In this online business, hindi mo rin kailangan magbenta or mag-invite. It's a kind of business that you only need to attract people. As simple as that. Kaya if you're business-minded or not, it's okay. In this business, we will help you and to learn and run your own business together with the help of our mentors, coaches, and the rest of online business owners. Marami na po naging successful sa online business na to. Kaya if you wanna change in your life, you need to take action and start doing it now. And also, I believe that this online business will create opportunities for your early retirement. Diba? Ang ganda? So that we can all enjoy life to the fullest with a focus on the long-term sustainability and growth. And I'm dedicated to sharing my knowledge and experience to empower others to take control of their financial future. So, kaya, join me on this journey towards a more fulfilling and prosperous life together. We will pave the way for a brighter tomorrow to take the first steps towards for your own financial freedom today by visiting my website www.digitalmarketingwithjunarz.com and let's explore the possibilities that await. So guys, take action and I'll see you there.